Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Come on, sunshine. Yes. Sunshine. Awesome. Good morning. It is the 28th of September. We are up at the farm. Sun is shining. Happy days. I'm really hoping first thing we do this morning is open that coffee machine. We just completely run out of time this morning. Fingers crossed, let's go see what we can do. Less talking, more coffee.
Ben wants this morning coffee. So do I actually, I can hardly function. Meanwhile, over here Dave's struggling. Oh, the magic sound of beans.
This looks like something really yummy. I'm gonna get quick at this.
In the master.
Do you have a cup? The
Yeah,
black
one.
Rachel, those cups not for them, but is it how much coffee's in there? Enough for one? Is there enough coffee in there for 2 shots?
Yeah. Dad won't want one
It's
shot.
because I used the big one, not the little one.
Look at the little after.
Oh, do you want to open up that one?
How fucking do you want it?
There you go, you can have that.
A rocket ship.
It really is a rocket ship!
Or
Well,
did you want
true.
more milk?
Huh?
Kira made a rocket ship.
Did you?
Oh, Dad's already drank it.
Let's have a look.
Tastes like coffee, it's a bit cold.
It is a rocket ship. It's good.
How's your coffee?
Brilliant.
I know, I'm loving this machine.
Such a good boy.
I know, and that machine with Origin coffee combined, perfect.
Yeah. Now, if you want to enjoy Origin coffee with a discount, use our code REALNZ when you order online on their website, and I'll link it all below for you. So just hit the description and the link, and you can be enjoying this soon.
Let's go.
Yep, ready to go.
Yep. Finn,
We'll see you guys later.
make sure Harley gets his charger over there.
Charger.
Yep.
Oh, that is
And they've got to remind me to take the satellite, else there'll be no internet.
Don't forget Starlink. Righto, let's make a little tree and get out of here.
We'll bring a, what is it, a limo pizza?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Right, let's go.
have to put it on your knees.
No, you get on top of this. Go.
Hey, what's up, guys?
One more to join the team.
Bit more Tetris. Oh, my friend.
Yeah, all squeezed in there. And we're home finally.
Definitely.
Quick, Kira, get that coffee machine out and make us a coffee.
I reckon. She's asleep.
She's awake.
She's just ignoring us. Windows up.
Where are you going to set up the machine?
That's what I like to see. Coffee, coffee, coffee.
We're back. We've had a coffee. We have got to get a bed ready to take to Nana's. Someone's got sidetracked. Playing with the knackers.
Kanaka balls. Yes, it's under here.
And you're going to put that in the car, you reckon?
No, you reckon this is going to fit in the car bin. I don't think it is.
I reckon.
No. That's... Oh. Won't know until we try it.
Let's try.
Oh, I don't know, dude.
You never know till we try.
No, it's got to be...
About that wide. Go with that. Looks good from this angle so far.
Oh. Well, it goes even in between those.
Of course it does. It's fine like that.
What do you mean?
That'll be good down the road.
Oh, we'll stick the mattress on and then Kira can just hold the...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at our new camper van.
We're going camping.
Look at the... We learnt about camper vans like this at the motorhome show.
Wait, how is this going to stay in?
You're going to lie on it and sleep on it.
You sit in there on it.
Me?
Now, just lean over it and put your hand through one of the slats to hold on to it.
Why can't Colton sit on the back there?
He'll fall out with it.
I'm sleeping here tonight, Mum.
Where's it coming out?
What?
Is it on the toilet wall? Oh, it's down. Because your pump was running when we come in.
Yeah.
Yeah, like a drop pressure and kicked in again, but it's just turned off.
Dinner is served. Do it, Kira.
And Finn didn't eat it this time without my knowledge.
How about?
Pretty sure it's this last home game.
Is that it? Go on.
My charger! My charger!